Hey everyone, welcome back with the additional. The additional of today's newspaper on Friday, February the 23rd, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have also 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saifa block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve. Why not all? Well, too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. First, 3 stars Sudoku I will solve will be number 8061. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Usually, the 3 stars has 25. This one has 27. 2 printed digits more. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve with 25 printed digits. This one has 27, so I think it's a 1 star. A 1 star puzzle need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 1 star or 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. 4 in this column, third column, 4 in the first column, so the column between that column, the only place left 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Okay. Then, let me see. How about the 1 in this column, the 1 in that column? So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Well. Cannot continue with the 1. How about this column? Second column. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column is the number 3. Well, we have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this column. Should be there. So 3 missing numbers now in the second column. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6 is missing. The 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. And look, we have 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 in the row above, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. So the 6 and the 9 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then 9. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this first row. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 9 in the middle column, so no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there, we have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between. Only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there, we have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 6 and 9, we have a 9 now in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes in there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. Alright. 5, 5. Then 5, 5. Okay. So need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Let me see. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Then need a 7. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in the first row, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 7. Then let me see. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2, 4, 3, okay. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. Need a 5 here. And I need a... 1, 6, 8. 6, 8. Well. 6, 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. 6, 5, and a 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 is missing. 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6. And look, we have 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. So the 5 and the 6 are left. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 5 goes there. Oh, I need a 5 here. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. The 3 there. 1, 8, 7. All right. How about 1, 6, 5. Need a 5 here. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Need a 3 here. 3, 7. Yeah, 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left with the 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. All right. Okay. And now we have 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left with 8 should be there. 8 in this first row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left with 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in the first row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers to 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here, 2 missing numbers in this second row. 4 numbers to 1 and 2. The 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in the third column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then I need a 5 here. And I need a 3 here. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7. 1 and a 7. Well, we have a pair here. Look, 1 and a 7 here. Okay, 1, 7, and need an 8 here. How about these 2 missing numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. Well, will be difficult. How about these 2 missing numbers in this row? 1, 2 is missing, and a 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, 2 in the row above. The only place left with 2 should be there. 2 and a 6. We have a 2 now in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left with 6 should be there. And 1 box left in this big square for the mark. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place left with 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers to 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 1 box. Oh no, 1 and a 7 are left here. We have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 or a 7, we have a 1 now, so this box should be a 7. Here, 1 or a 7, we have a 7 now, so this box should be a 1. 7 or an 8, we have a 7 now, so this box should be an 8. That box should be a 7. And 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Finished in 14 minutes. Well, -2. Faster than 50 minutes. That's correct. 1 star, not the 3 stars puzzle. And we solve again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.